So this is where it finally starts to come together, turning old magazines into actual junk journals. I've got these two. This is the one for all the tall images of women that I didn't want to have to cut down to fit my regular glue books. I made some progress and I will show it all next time. It will probably be completely done by then. For now, I'm putting it to the side and focusing on the other one that I'm building with you step by step. I did a little work on the pages since the last video, and I've got some junky things pre-selected for this session. Let's take a quick look. Now it's just a matter of placing things and seeing what works where. I'll just work through a few pages and see where it goes. I'm Deborah, welcome back to the collage table. Today I'm working on part 3 of turning an old magazine into a junk journal, and this time we're actually gluing and building the spreads. I will link to previous videos for you so you can catch up to make your own version. So this is the first spread with the cover folded onto the first page. I've got these stickers. I want to add one on the right. I think this one. Stickers are always nice and quick. So let's put this right here. I like to offset it a bit so it goes a little lower. Now here maybe I can put these 2 flower stems, but I think I rather want them here on this side, stacked like this maybe. And then I have this edge here from the inside cover. I don't like it, so I want to cover it with some washi tape. Which one shall I use? This? No. Okay, I don't want it too busy, so not this one, but this one or this. Okay, let me use this one, the brighter one. I think that will work well. Let's find the beginning. There you go. Pull it. I'm not precise, just eyeballing. Oh, I do want it a little bit straight, so it goes like this. Alright, let's get the scissors and chop it off. Done. Okay, now let's glue this orchid plant tag. Here's my glue stick. Easy. Let's put some glue here. And then I want to put this right here, like so. Now let's glue on these stems. I will edit out most of the actual gluing, like I usually do, to keep this moving and interesting to watch. Okay, now this second one, let me put it right here. Yes, perfect. Oh, moving on. Next. Yes, this is nice. If you haven't seen the previous videos, this is a menu from Bagels and Beans, and you can still read it all. Now here I have a few items pre-selected for the spread. This Cafe Richard goes here, and this ice cream popsicle from the packaging, I think here on top. And then I have this, a savings card, collect stamps to get a free coffee. I'm not going to this place anymore because it's not nearby, so never fill it, and I might as well glue it right here. So let's do that. Yes, perfect. And these oranges come from the same ice cream box. I think put them somewhere here and here. Yes. And then, oh, again. Okay, let's just use it and glue this on. I really like working on these junk magazines more than I expected. I made these back in the day when I was a young girl. They were a bit more random back then. I think my spreads are more balanced now, a bit more thought out. Okay, the orange creamsicle. Okay, I've put the glue on off screen. I want it here, straighter, like so. Now let's see, these need glue. Here, if I put this here, it covers this. And then this one, do I want it over that number? No, under. Yes, I like it better this way. Keeps the magazine feel a bit more. Time to go to the next spread. Here, purple. Let's gather all these I've got to play with. This is the base, and this covers some text here. These colors come from a washi tape box, and then this is a business card from a cat care company. Let's see where I want this. Maybe here. No, on top. No, next to her. Yes, on the bottom. And then this is another one of those orchid tags. I think right here. And then these two stamps, do I want them here? Maybe, let's see. Maybe just this one. Yes, that one can go somewhere else. Okay, time for some glue and get everything in place. This goes right here. And then this pretty flower stamp goes below it. Yes, these two, let's put some glue on them. Now, shall I put this like this or like this? It's subtle, but I like this better. Yes, there you go. And then this I will glue on with some overlap, a little lower, yes. Alright, let's flip to the next page. This is another fun one. What do we have here? Okay, this covers some text, and this is from a little old notebook, very cute. And then I have this is from a sticky notepad, the package of it. This could go here on the bottom. And then let's see, I got this. Oh yes, from the garlic, you know, junk. But I think it's fun. I want it a bit shorter, so let's just cut this off. And then I think I will just use a piece of washi. Let me use, let's see. Okay, I think this one. I just need a little piece. So simply tear it off. Like so. And then put it down. Yes. Okay, I like this. This, look, I'll remove it. It's a magnet bookmark, a very pretty one. And if I put it right here, it covers this text perfectly. And it also looks great on the other side. If I wasn't using that, I thought of using this bookstore promo card. You can find me on floor 2. I would put it here and then maybe cut off this part so the buildings will still show from the photo on the background. But I do think I like the bookmark better. So let's put this to the side and look at these images from an old romance cartoon magazine. Maybe here. No, it just looks too cluttered. This one, if I move the bookmark a bit. No, I don't think so. They are great, but not for this spread. Okay, so this needs glue. Okay, put it right there. Great. I'm making good progress. Let me know if you're making one of these too. I like the thought of gluing together. So would this go on this spread? Maybe these. I don't have anything pre-selected here, but these are not going here. Okay, next time. Let's play with some pink, see what I got. There's this envelope in the middle and this here. Okay, there's nothing in here yet. I love this vintage light bulb and this llama tag from a stuffed animal. Let him peek out like this. Now what else? These color swatches from Paint by Number. They might go here. I think I'll just use one. So putting this one to the side. Then I have these Dutch stamps and this vintage comic image from my favorite illustrator. Scratch off ticket, didn't win anything. Shall I put it here? Yes, and then she can go here. Yes, better. Let's remove those and trim this. There's no need for this white space. Okay, here. See, this looks better. And then this airmail, I will put it here. Okay, I think it's time to glue. Starting with this right here. Yes, I like this. It's old junk which you might throw away, but we're keeping it and making some new art. Okay, she goes there. Now this, do I want this up there? No, bottom is better. The little colored dots, they go next to the colored stripes. And then it's just the llama to glue down. There he goes. Yes, now, okay, what else do I have? Oh yes, this is from a cream cheese dip. I love the packaging, better than the dip. And here this Broadway arcade card, a bit of bright color on this spread. And then this tag comes from a dessert shaped keyring. Let's cut the back side off. I don't want the extra bulk, but where would I put it? Here or here? I'm not sure. Now these old-fashioned images, I think I like this cover image right here over that bit of text. This, still not sure. Okay, now this needs some glue. Who else is a sucker for great packaging? Gluebooking is a good excuse for that. You can always say, I need this for my glue book. Okay, now let's glue these two on. So this goes here, you know, covering that bit of text, and this one here on top as planned. Yes, lovely. Let's see, do I do another one today? The one with the French baguette bag? For now, let's at least put this receipt from dinner in Paris inside. Yes, perfect. And then I have these two patisserie tags. I think this is all for next time. And then I'll probably finish this junky junk journal. So let's just do a quick preview of what's still to come. I will collect some more bits and pieces to include and glue in here. So that will be fun. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself. Till next time. Bye.